Coder Vlogs. My name is Sefi, and in this video I will be telling you that nesting if statement is bad and what is the solution for that. So at here I have a function called any function, and inside the function I have many conditions. Like I have Wi-Fi if statement, condition, login and admin, and every if statement I have inside I have if else statement, right? So basically you can read this code and you can see little bit the code structure is difficult to understand, but it can be understandable. But if I add many conditions over here, then the code readability will be affected and it will be difficult to understand, and hence your life will be difficult. And adding more conditions and more conditions, and in at one point at one place, code understandability will be impossible. You cannot understand the code. So this approach is not good. Adding more conditions can make the code readability very bad and very poor. So in order to make your life easier, what is the solution? For the solution, you have to make every condition separate and divide, right? Each conditions. Like I have three conditions: Wi-Fi, login and admin. So I just divide and separate these conditions. Then I reverse the condition, like I use negative sign before the condition to make it reverse. Then I use guard causes. A guard causes is simply a check. When it's fulfill or satisfy, then it will terminate the function by skipping the remaining code in the function, right? So the remaining code will be skipped. So in this way I write the code. So I have three conditions over here. If Wi-Fi is not available, then just skip the remaining code. If Wi-Fi is available, if user is login, and if user is admin, then show the user admin panel. So the both code have same output, but there is one difference, and that difference is the code readability and understandability. Both code have you can see a lot of difference in both code in terms of code understandability and readability. And add here, if I want to add as many condition I want, the code readability will not be affected. So this is very good, and this function can be I can add many code I want, so it can easily be scalable, while this code is will create problem if I add more conditions. So this is the right approach, and this makes your code easier, and which makes your life easier, right? And you can easily understand and easily read the code. So this is the right way to write a code in the, so just avoid the nesting if statement and use this approach. So that's it. I will see you in next video. Bye bye.